These are my Chrome. So when you open Chrome browser on your phone, type in canva.com on the Chrome browser. So if it's your first time, it's going to ask you to create an account. So what we are doing today, I want to show us some um, Canva updates. Some apps have been added to Canva, and some AI feature even in Canva. Firstly, so when you are here, Canva has changed their feature recently. So you press this plus sign, then under plus sign. So there's if you don't want to um if you don't want to start knowing sizes on your head, you might not. But if you are bothered about size, so just come to for you. So when you click for you, custom size. So the size we use a lot is usually 1080 by 1080. But because we want the quality pixel 1080, this is what I mean. This size is 1080 by 1080 pixel. But but because we want the picture should be very sharp, so we multiply that 1080 by 3. So it will give you 3240 by 3240. Then you click on create new design, create new design. So you have this white space. Just drop this down. Don't need this. So I know some of you might be using your laptop or phone, but today I'll be using a phone. But for subsequent class, I'll be using a laptop because I want you to show you the possibility of that you don't have to. You can even use your phone to achieve everything we're achieving. So when I start using laptop, it's the same thing I'll be doing on my laptop. If I was my laptop now, I'll just go to canva.com on my laptop, Chrome browser. So it's the same thing we have. So we have gotten here now. So there's another trick we use if we want to have more space to design. So what we do is that you can see this where you see this my 41 up here. There's this extra button by this side. You can see this extra button, 3 buttons. So we just click desktop side. We should change this to desktop side. This. So it's going to change the whole design to look like to give me more room as if I'm on a laptop or something. So for that's another trick we use to create more room. You can see everything looks smaller, but our design space is bigger. Let me change it back to normal size. Yeah, so we are back here. So the parts I want to show us, the updates that Canva has really added is in these their apps and the magic media. So let's start with the apps first. So this app, this I clicked on the apps. So there are a lot of updates that have been added to these apps. Okay, let me just go back a bit. So you can see this down panel. Can you see this down panel that has design, elements, text, brand, uploads, draw, projects, apps. So I clicked on apps. Yeah, so under apps, so there are a lot of apps that are been added. But I'll be showing you, like I said earlier, I'll be showing you first. I'll be showing you text maker. So under search for Canva app, search for text maker. Text maker. Text maker. So the very first one, this text maker by the left. So there are a lot of text effects you can play with. There are a lot of text effects. So let's say we want to work with this one that is highness, for example, as an example. So let me just click highness. So highness, and I can change the text to online design class. I can close this line height. So this one, you see, this one will change if the text will be at the center. But what is at center? Line height, the distance between the text, I can just reduce the bit. What else do I need? So you can do any other customization you want, but let's just leave it this way. You can play around it as you go. So add to design, quality medium, yes, fine. So we can see this one. Let me make another one. Um let me make another one. Let me reduce the text are too close to each other. So let me make that as one. Then let me use the left alignment. So let's see what comes up with that. Add to design. Yeah. So this is. Let me delete this one. Yeah. Deleted. So we have this online design class. So I'll do another one with so let me just go over it again briefly. So I came to apps, and under apps I searched for text maker. Sorry. Apps text maker, this one, text maker. Then under text maker I picked, let me go back. So I'm going to pick another, let's pick another. So that text maker, there are so many. Let's say, let me pick this spell as an example. So that one will be day one. I'll edit the text to day one. So we can see what we're typing up here. So I think this is just fine. I don't want to do so. Add to design. So my class. Let me just increase this. Arrange. Let me put this upwards. Yeah. So day one. So I've done that again. So let me show us another one. Let me move to second page. I just moved like this to create another page. So let's go to apps again. Another one we use very well. There are a whole lot of text you can use. A lot of a lot of Canva apps you can use. Oh, sorry. So the beautiful thing about Canva is that you don't have to press in Control S, Control S, Control C. So because it's fully online, So it automatically saves your work for you, so you don't have to bother about control S. So apps, and mind you, this feature they are available for pro version of Canva. So you would have to subscribe for pro version of Canva. So another one is TypeCutOut. It's already here, but you can just search it here to TypeCutOut. Then the third one I'll be showing you is transform image. But let's start with TypeCutOut. TypeCutOut. So open. So let me type you can change the text or you can leave it to what, let me see, um, Canva apps. Canva. So you can change the font if you want, or if you like it just as it is, no problem. You can say there's a default background that comes with it, but you can, if you have um, um, an image that you want to use, you can just choose a file, yeah, or let's see if let me see if there's any image on uh, my phone that we can use. Okay, let me use this. So it's uploading the image. So let me edit so I can just move it to show some certain feature. Okay, use the image as I want. I can rotate it. Uh, so finish editing, and I can add it to the uh, design. But I don't like the image I used. So let me. So if you have any, maybe there's a picture of an environment you took or a trip you went for. Let's say, for example, you are a content creator and you want to show a picture of, let's say, you travel to um, a country and you took a nice picture. So you can just put the main text, you type the name of the country, then you now add that picture of the country there. So it just gives you a very nice background. That will work well. So I don't want to use that. I'll delete the image that I use. Then I'll just maintain what is here already. Which is really nice. So and I can change the background if you want, but let's use this tag background. Add to design. So let me change this to black. To black. This color, change to black. Yeah. So
How did you change that color to black himself?
okay, so I clicked out, then I clicked on this. You can see color by the down, replace color down here. So you can change it to any color you want. Change it to any color you want. So that was how I changed it to black. So I can even bring, let me see if I can bring, let me select all these images and copy it. So let me duplicate this page too. duplicate this page. Then I'll paste everything I've copied. So I have to bring them together on one page. Canva apps. So so let me do the last Canva app. Yes. So Canva app. So there are a lot of them. There are a lot of them. But I'll just show you because of the. I just have a very short time. So, but when you practice, that's why there's a week long in between. When you practice, you should be able to practice a lot. So I'll be expecting you to recreate all these designs and post it on the Telegram platform. So the last one I'll be showing you is transform image. Transform image. Um, open. Mm, so
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Please,
yes, yes.
how did you, where did you click to get the transform image and phone?
Okay, okay. Sorry. I clicked on apps, and so it's already here on my own. But if you can't find it here, just type in this search for Canva apps. Search for just like transform, transform image, transform. You can see its image. So you click on it. Click on transform image. So did you get how I got to it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me choose this one. You have to have an image you want to use. So let me of this image. So can you use any image you have on your phone or your laptop, anyone. Let me just use this image. You can see what's happening. Yes. You can decide to move it to the side, or you can just something like you're trying to create a red carpet effect kind of. So add to design. Mm, let me paste. Sorry, let me go and copy that our Canva design day one. So that's on page. This one, I'll select this and I'll click on this to select multiple. So I'll select this. I just need this two. I'll copy it, then move to this place and paste it. Paste. Yeah. So do you see the effect that I was talking about? Something like this. Okay,
Okay,
so
sir.
yeah. So let me move to the actually two more things before we finish. Let me move to the next thing. So the next thing I want to show us is magic media. You can see this magic media. So this magic media is one of the AI feature that Canva is launching out. And let's say you search for an image you can't find, or you search for a video you need or anything you want, you can just type it there and it's going to bring it for you. So let's say, let me just put uh, what should I put now? Okay, a young black teenager using a phone and and wearing an African maybe attire or something. Attire. So I want the size to be square, yes, because we're using a square shape. So let's see, generate image. Let me see the image let me see it generated more. Have you seen the images that's generated for us? Beautiful images. Ah, hello, are we still here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so I think I'm liking this one, and let me just add them to the design. This one, I will add, and this one. Ah, this one is really nice. I'll add this one. So, yeah. So let me copy the prompt we used to generate it so that we can keep it for later. Let me copy this prompt. Copy. Let me add it as a test. I'll come to text, add subheading. So I'll add the text so that a young person. This is the prompt. So let me duplicate this page so I can have each of them individually. Duplicate this page again. So I also have each of them on a separate page. This and this. And you can notice that I'm dragging it from the edges. Please always drag from the edge, because if you drag, let me show you. If you don't drag from the edges, let's say I drag from here. Look at what's happening. If I drag from it, look at what's happening. So ensure you always drag from the edges to have a uniform um, distribution, a uniform expansion of what you're doing. So that's that. So this one is easy to use. Just whatever prompts you want to use to generate. So we can even maybe add some fill. Let me see. Let me see if I can copy this. Select, select, copy. I'm just imagining the beautiful things you are going to come up with all this with this feature by the time you start practicing. Paste. Right. Let me move this down a bit so I can show the face. So I'm going to do this instead. Day one. So you see our designs are coming together. Let me copy this also. And select, copy, and paste this. Paste. So you can even do, I can even make this. Let me just make this up here and come to this to the right, to the left, and put this to the right. The one. You can see we're already designing. So any question on it? I think this is quite straightforward. Just go to Magic Media, put the right prompts based on what you need to. Okay, I think let's just stop here tonight so I won't overload you. Wait. So, so any question on what we've done so far? Any question? I'm just waiting for you to ask questions. So I'm just trying to just do some things. Um, okay. Um, so in case if you are a designer, you have any questions, we've created different sub groups on the Telegram. There's one for questions, so you can just post your questions there. Any question you have there, we will be happy to answer any question you have.
Sir, please, which
Yeah, I'm with
option did you click? Which option did you
to
click
do what?
when you to put that pixel this thing that 3240 by 3240? Is it still that
Okay,
app?
which option? No, it wasn't app. So what I did was okay, let me go to canva.com again, so you can just see canva.com. So what I clicked was plus. You can see this plus. There's a purple plus just down here. Plus. Yeah, before I forget, let me name. Sorry, always name your design. Let me name this design. Sorry. Charm Design School online class D1. So let me name this. It's good to name properly because by the time you start having a lot of designs, so you will not start looking for header. So back to what I was saying. So I clicked on this plus. I clicked on this plus. I clicked on this plus.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Plus. So after clicking on plus, I clicked on for you. This for you. You can see this for you. For you. For you. Under for you. Custom size. You can see custom size. Custom size. And if you don't even remember, you can just look at Instagram post this one or social media. Well, let me go back so you see Instagram. If you don't want to remember, but let me go back. Let me do it again. Plus, after clicking plus. Sorry. Plus. So for you, under for you see custom size, import file. So custom size. So this is where I entered the 324. I told you it's 1080 by 1080 we use because we want a square. If you want something that is rectangular, we use 1350 1350 by 1080. If you want it horizontal, it should be 1080 by 1350. But I said because I want our design to be very sharp, we multiplied the 1080 by 1080 by 3. Just if you do use calculator, if you are using pixel, any person calculator, you have 3240 by 3240. Then create your design. That's how uh, we did it. So finally, always save your and when you're done. So you can't the way you can show people your design is by saying you can see by the top there's something that is like an arrow going out of the box. Just stop here. I just clicked on it now. Just stop here. Let me click on it again. So when you click on it, you now click on downloads. Downloads. So I want to download my design as JPEGs. So 100. I increase to 100. I want the highest quality. So I want you to download all the pages. Yes. But if I just need some specific page, I'll just pick. But I want all the pages. So just press done and download. So don't worry. There's a class where I will teach you what each of this one is. But for now, just use JPEG and you press download. So it starts downloading your design. So that's the one you have in your gallery that you can now share with your friends. And another thing you can do is if let's say you want one of the reasons why we use Canva is that download. One of the reasons why we use Canva is that um, we can we can design with so many people at the same time. So while this downloading, it's download as a zip file, so but you can just unzip it. So why going back to why we like using Canva is in this same place. If I click on it, you can see invite, invite. If I press invite, so if I have your email address that you're using on Canva, I can just type it here, whatever your email address is. It's going to bring you up. Then I can share it with you, so you have access to this my same design, which you can tweak as you want. So we can design together at the same time. So that's one of the beautiful things. That's one reason why we like using Canva. So um, that's any question.